Hey everyone, this is Giovanni from the Santurce Salsa Club, Puerto Rico. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel below. Today I want to quickly touch base about something very important is your hands. What do you do when you start dancing salsa with your hand? The hand is very important. This is how you communicate fluidity. If you are tense, your partner will feel it. And nobody wants to dance with somebody who is tense. Yet if you don't have a little grip, you're not gonna be able to do the turns. So how do you do it? This is actually pretty simple. You have the water scooping hand. So imagine for 1 second that you're actually scooping water from the river. You are scooping water from an imaginary river that's on your feet. And she is doing the same. What do you do now? You hook them one another, and this is how the partners are going to communicate. You can put your thumb right here, but very light pressure. In salsa we have a saying that says el más suave el más sabe. The guy that knows the most is the guy that is the softest. You guys, you have to be soft. You have to communicate fluidity. How do you do that? With your hands. When you're about to do a turn, you're gonna extend your arm as far as possible, and you're actually not gonna move it like that, because if you move it like that, chances are you're gonna hurt her. If you're a big guy, you might even dislocate a shoulder, so we don't want to do that. All you're gonna have to do is extend your arm, put your scooping water hand, and she's gonna turn. You're just gonna give you a wrist twist, and that's it. Guys, what you want to be very soft, very soft. El más sabe, el más suave. And please remember the scooping water hand when you dance with your partner. That's it for today. Please subscribe to the channel below and have fun dancing salsa.